Hi, my name's Kim Debling and I'm here to tell you all about my course which teaches Blender specifically to graphics designers or packaging designers. So as a graphic designer or packaging designer, you've probably realised that if you could just show your designs in 3D, you would go up another level as a designer. Often clients can't picture your 2D designs as a 3D model, and sometimes you might even be losing out on work because your portfolio and your final designs just aren't doing it for your clients or your prospective clients. So perhaps you've already looked at 3D modeling, perhaps you've even looked at Blender, which is a free software which is very powerful for 3D modeling. But the trouble is, because the predominant people who are using 3D modeling, or Blender specifically, tend to be character designers or games designers or modelers or sculptors in the computer sphere, quite often the tutorials just aren't focused enough, aren't easy enough, aren't simple enough for our purposes. So that's why I've created this course. I've created this course to teach you just what you need to know to create an object and wrap that object in your own design. And then we set up a studio behind the object, take a photorealistic picture of the object, and then we can use that as our mock-ups or for our clients. I also teach some advanced textures specifically for printing, which is foil textures or foil printing, transparency and embossing. These are areas that you just can't really recreate in Photoshop or whatever your 2D image editor is, because skewing things for perspective is great. It doesn't really work perfectly for those types of advanced textures. After we've done all that, I'm going to teach you how to download third-party models, which there's a huge amount of them on the internet, and often they're free or very, very cheap. So even if you don't want to go further into the world of modeling your own objects, you can download objects from the internet, such as cosmetics packaging or open boxes or books, and wrap them in your own designs. So I teach you how to use third-party objects as well. To make it even easier, I've created all these worksheets. There's 19 pages in total. Some even have big diagrams, but they go step through step exactly what I am doing, so that you can refer to them after the lectures or refer to them when you're recreating what I've just done in the lectures. So those are ready to go, ready to download, ready for you to print, and they're a fantastic course resource. So if you're already a proficient 2D designer and you want to launch yourself into the world of 3D modeling, if this course sounds like something that you want to take, then have a look at the free course previews, and when you're ready, go ahead and take the course. I can't wait to see what you produce, and I can't wait to see your brand new 3D portfolios at the end.